Think about it. A nation bursting with young, tech-savvy individuals, a strong entrepreneurial spirit, and a growing appetite for alternative financial solutions. Cryptocurrency seems like a natural fit, right? But with so many exchanges out there, which ones are actually accessible to Nigerians? Today, we're diving deep into one popular platform, Gemini. Does Gemini work in Nigeria? Let's break it down. The rise of crypto in Nigeria. First, a quick detour. Africa, and particularly Nigeria, has become a hotbed for cryptocurrency adoption. Here's why. Limited traditional financial access. Many Nigerians lack access to traditional banking systems. Crypto offers a secure, decentralized alternative for storing and transferring value. Inflation concerns. The Nigerian naira has experienced significant inflation in recent years. Crypto offers a hedge against inflation, as some believe it has a limited supply. Cross-border transactions. Crypto makes sending and receiving money internationally faster and cheaper compared to traditional methods. This booming crypto scene has led many Nigerians to explore different exchanges. So, where does Gemini fit in? Is Gemini available in Nigeria? Here's the good news. Yes, Gemini operates in Nigeria. They actually list Nigeria among the 50-plus countries they support for their core crypto exchange services. However, there's a slight twist. Gemini also offers a separate product called Gemini Derivatives. This product allows users to trade crypto futures contracts. Now, the catch, Gemini Derivatives currently has a more limited availability compared to the main exchange. While Nigeria is on the list of supported countries for derivatives, it's important to double-check for any updates or restrictions specific to your region. What can Nigerians do on Gemini? Assuming you're interested in the core exchange services, here's what you can do as a Nigerian user. Buy and sell popular cryptocurrencies. Gemini supports major players like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Store your crypto securely. Gemini boasts robust security features to keep your digital assets safe. Access educational resources. Gemini offers resources to help users understand cryptocurrency and navigate the platform. Things to consider before using Gemini in Nigeria. While Gemini offers exciting possibilities for Nigerians, there are a few things to keep in mind. Payment methods. Currently, Gemini doesn't directly support Nigerian bank transfers. You might need to explore alternative funding methods like international wire transfers, which can come with additional fees. Regulations. The regulatory landscape surrounding cryptocurrency in Nigeria is still evolving. Keep yourself updated on any changes that might affect your crypto activities. Alternatives to Gemini for Nigerians. While Gemini is a reputable option, it's always good to explore alternatives. Here are some other crypto exchanges that operate in Nigeria. Binance. Luno. Bundle Africa. Remember, conduct your own research before choosing an exchange. Consider factors like supported currencies, fees, security measures, and user reviews. The future of crypto in Nigeria. The future of crypto in Nigeria is brimming with potential. As internet access and financial inclusion improve, crypto adoption is likely to keep rising. So, does Gemini work in Nigeria? Yes, with some limitations. But with its established reputation and core exchange services available, it could be a viable option for Nigerians venturing into the exciting world of cryptocurrency. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.